Hello. In this video, we will show you how to install our OBD module on a Mercedes Sprinter 906 model with a 3-liter diesel OM642 engine. Unlike newer Sprinter models, this vehicle is not equipped with a DEF system. This installation removes the EGR, DPF, and EKAS systems from the engine software. Using this vehicle as an example, we will walk you through the installation process step by step. Your package includes one OBD module and 2 micro SD cards. The first card is labeled Step 1, Delete, and is already installed in the module. The second card is labeled Factory and can be used to restore the vehicle to its original software at any time. The module is now ready for installation. Before starting the installation, make sure the battery is fully charged. Start the engine and let it run for 20 minutes. The vehicle is now ready for installation. Turn the ignition on. Turn the key to position 2. All warning lights on the instrument cluster should come on. Wait 20 seconds for the system to fully load. Insert the OBD module into the OBD port. Press it firmly to ensure a good connection. The green LED will turn on and begin flashing. Wait until the LED turns off completely. The installation will take a few minutes, but no longer than 5 minutes. Do not remove the module while the LED is flashing. Once the LED turns off, remove the OBD module from the OBD port. The installation is now complete. Start the engine and check that everything is working properly. The installation is complete. You can now continue driving with the EGR, DPF, and EKAS systems removed from the engine software.
You can place an order at OBDTune.com. Please be available. Our manager will contact you to confirm order details within a few hours. You can also ask us questions on WhatsApp or email. Technical support is available on WhatsApp and email only. Links and contacts can be found in the description.